Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have been a hot topic for a while now, and we're going to focus on three of the most popular ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Meme Coins. Bitcoin is the granddaddy of cryptocurrencies. It was the first decentralized digital currency created in 2009 by a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Its market capitalization is over $500 billion, making it one of the most valuable assets in the world. Ethereum is another major player in the crypto world. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and his team, Ethereum is a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications (dApps). It has a market capitalization of over $150 billion and is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Meme coins are a newer category of cryptocurrencies that have gained popularity due to their association with memes and internet culture. Dogecoin was one of the first meme coins, created in 2013 as a joke based on the Doge meme. Its creators never expected it to gain any traction, but it has since become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies with a market cap of over $8 billion. Shiba Inu is another meme coin that exploded in popularity last year, with its market cap now exceeding $13 billion. That's all for today's discussion on crypto financials. Remember to do your own research and consult with financial advisors before investing in any cryptocurrency. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights.